Hope you can see me okay there, folks. I've shot videos on this before, and what we're going to do is teach you how to create your own palm jungle. If you live in a similar growing zone, and that's the first thing, you have to live in the right growing zone to do this. And then you need some fresh palm seeds. So what I usually do is just peel them off and throw them around the forest here. I'm in the back 40 of our forest here on Salt Spring Island, and we're located on the Pacific coast of Canada, actually off the Pacific coast of Canada, about 30 miles southwest of the city of Vancouver, out here in the ocean. So because we live on an island, the winters never get that cold, and palm trees, Trachycarpus fortunei, thrive. You can bang them against a tree and they'll come off, or you can just kind of peel them off and broadcast them around. There are thousands of palm trees growing in our property here, and it's like they're almost naturalized, but it's because I've spread them from this seed, and they're on their own 100%. Winters don't bother them here, and over time they will start to get big. You can see there's some in front of me here growing along a creek bed. They do like moisture to thrive, and I'm going to grab the camera in a minute and I'm just going to show you how many palm trees are actually growing down here. There's some actually fair sized ones in our forest, the seed that I spread over 20 years ago. So you just bang them against these alder trees to broadcast these windmill palm seeds, and just let Mother Nature take care of them. There are actually some growing in the creek bed, believe it or not, and they are submerged partially by water in the winter months, and they've managed to survive. I have a whole grove of them growing down here, which I like to call Trachycarpus swampsonii, because they can handle the swampy conditions. Over the years I spread tens of thousands of seeds in here, and some of them have adapted to this very boggy area. So I'll grab that camera and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about, folks. So I'm growing along here. See the creek bed? It was raining really good last night, and then they're everywhere. And through here, I just got to watch where I step. That's all Trachycarpus fortunei seedlings. There are thousands of them in here. So really easy to do. Just take these things and beat them against the tree and go through the forest and do the same thing. Oh, they're sprouting everywhere. Look at that. It's nice and moist down here, so it works really well. So that's how to create a Canadian palm forest, folks, in your own backyard. And over time, when you walk in the back 40 of your property, you're going to be seeing palm trees. Let's go into an area here where there's some bigger ones, and they are growing on neglect under the canopy of native trees. So they don't get a lot of sunshine, very little at all actually, so that's why they're going to be leggy. So let's just get back here and show you what I'm talking about. Nice seeds, huh? I've been on this piece of property for quite a long time, so I've been doing this for a while. And like I say, there are other videos of me doing this, but just kind of an update, recap for those of you who've never seen the videos. And this one's going to be on Wendy's channel, Gulf Island Rock. You can start to see them in here. Here. Look at that. They're actually quite beautiful. And I got to watch where I walk in here, because they're sprouting everywhere. There's seedlings coming up all over the place. And we'll walk through here. Another one on the other side of the creek bed. And then there's some bigger ones here. Some beauties right there. So, folks, like I say, if you live in a similar growing zone on the Pacific coast of Canada, this is the only place in Canada you will be able to do this. The rest of Canada, you're not going to get away with it. So if you're here on the Pacific coast, try creating your own palm forest, or in amongst the forest that you already have. It's really easy to do, and doesn't take rocket science. So just get some fresh seed and start spreading them around, broadcasting them, and soon you will be in palm heaven when the palms take over your property. All right, thanks for watching, and cheers from Canada's Banana Belt.